All right, this is lesson 4.1, identifying linear functions. So we've got some vocabulary to go over today, and some of this is similar to what we've done in the past. Our first vocabulary is linear function. All right, and the key part of this is right here at the start. We are looking at a line, all right, and it has to be a straight line. All right, if we're looking at a graph and we see a parabola, right, something like that, or an absolute value, or something that is maybe a line segment, right? It ends. Okay, these would not be linear functions. All right, linear functions go on forever, and they are straight. Okay. They also have to pass the vertical line test. All right. Standard form is a way for us to make sure that an equation, without having to graph it out, is a linear function or a linear equation. All right. The key to standard form is that both variables have to be on the same side. Right. So here I've got 2x plus 3y on the same side, and my constant is on the other side. That is standard form. Okay. Now this could be a minus, or it could be a negative, some number x, but they have to be on the same side. There are also a few special cases that would make it so that this wasn't in standard form, and that we could tell wouldn't be a linear equation. All right. So those cases are basically anything weird. If we have an exponent on one of our variables, it will not be a linear equation. If we are multiplying or dividing our variables instead of adding or subtracting, it's not going to be a linear equation. If we have a radical, right, we're taking the square root of one of our variables, or if we are dividing by one of our variables. All right, none of these situations will give us a linear equation. All right, there is one other kind of special case. If the value of the coefficient, so the number that we're multiplying by y, is 0, right? So we end up with something like 0y plus 2x equals 7. This will be a linear equation, but not a linear function. All right, and we'll look at why in just a second. Okay, we'll look at why that is. All right, so our first concept is identifying a linear function by its graph. Okay, so standard form is how we were kind of figuring out without having to graph it, but if we have a graph and we are looking to see if it's a linear function, this is what we are checking. Okay, we're looking to see that it is a straight line. Okay, see, straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. All these guys are curved, bent. Those are not linear functions. Okay, they might be functions, and in fact, I think all of these look like they are functions. Okay, they would all pass the vertical line test, but they're not linear. All right, and then this is the kind of oddball. That's the weird situation where you have a linear equation, right? It's a straight line, keeps going on forever, but it is not a linear function because it doesn't pass the vertical line test. Okay, so not a function. All right,